Some mornings don't need words, just a hug, the rustle of blankets, the smell of coffee drifting into salt air, and the feeling that today might be just one of those days you remember. Winderabandi Point on the Ningaloo Coast. So places you visit, others feel like they receive you. People here, open, light, present. It's like the whole place runs on a different rhythm. Slower, warmer, more honest. We let the day decide the pace. And maybe that's the thing about a perfect van life day. It doesn't come from doing more. It comes from needing less. I decided to go paddleboarding for the second time in my life. And then dolphins just showed up out of nowhere. As if they just came to say hello while gliding along beside us. Just like the joy sometimes does. Unforced. Unannounced. You don't chase it. But you notice it.
Que pra gente dançar, que pra gente dançar, que pra gente dançar, que pra gente dançar.
Just when I thought the day couldn't give us any more, I came up with an idea. I looked at Dad and said, "Grab the chairs." We carried them out to the sandbank in the middle of the Ningaloo. No distractions, no plans, just the two of us, sitting in silence, watching the sky in its last dance. And honestly, hard to define what a perfect van life day looks like. This was it. Thanks for tuning in, guys. I'll see you in the next one.